morning, guys. Sorry about the lighting. This is just what we have to work with today. I don't know how loud it is because I'm driving, but I'm looking at the road. You're on a tripod. I'm starting off this video in the car because it is 9:53, which is very early for me, but we are on the way to Avery's doctor's appointment. I don't know if I have ever shared about this. I'm really not sure. I might have mentioned it briefly, but when Avery was born, she had heart murmurs. We've been to a couple appointments. Her last appointment, she was maybe a month old, but she had 5 heart murmurs. The doctor does not seem concerned at all. We're not concerned at all. It's not affecting her in any way as far as her growth and development, which is good. But we are going today just have another echo because it's been 6 months. Hoping that all of them closed, but at her 6-month pediatrician appointment in April, her pediatrician said she thought she still heard some. So I'm not expecting them all to be closed. But again, the doctor said that there is an 85% chance of all of them closing by the age of 2. And even if they don't close at all, they're not going to affect her growth in any way. It'll just be something that we need to monitor every now and then throughout her life, just to make sure they're not getting worse. But he assured us that there was nothing to be worried about. She's growing great. She's jumping percentiles, so we're not worried at all, or at least I'm not. But we're just having to monitor today. So that is where I'm going now. And then I have a lot of errands to run today. I'm going to bring you guys along. I'm going to try to be a good vlogger today. I'm a terrible vlogger when it comes, well, probably in general, but also when it comes to vlogging in like public, because I'm just not there yet. I want to make like a cute little basket because one of my closest friends just had a baby last week, and she just came home from the hospital Friday, and today is Monday. So I'm going up to see her tomorrow, and I want to make her like a cute little basket of things for her and the baby. And then I also want to make her some lactation cookies because she is trying to breastfeed. But I want to show you guys everything and bring you along. And now I'm rambling, so I'm going to head to Avery's doctor's appointment, and I will see you when we get there.
Well, hello there.
Okay, we are out of her appointment, and I went and got Starbucks. But the appointment went really well. They did an echo on her, and the doctor said that before she had around 6 or 7 murmurs, some of them being bigger and some of them being smaller. But according to the echo today, she only has 3. So one of the larger ones closed at the top, and then she has 2 little ones at the bottom and 1 little one in the middle. He said he's not worried about any of them because they have not affected her growth and development, but he wants to see us back in about 7 months just to recheck on those, and hopefully they will be closed. She did mention at the first appointment that they may not all close, and that's fine. She won't be restricted in any way if they don't close, but hopefully they will all close by 2 years is what he said. So we were really happy with that appointment. So now we are just hanging out. We're going to go get some lunch with my husband. He drove separately because he's going to have to go to work from here, and I have some more errands to run. So we're going to go get some lunch, and then we're going to go to TJ Maxx and get a few things, hopefully get some stuff for a basket for my friend, and then we need to go to Walmart to get stuff to bake cookies.
That good?
Don't drop it, honey.
What is it?
So I'm out of TJ Maxx. They had absolutely nothing. They didn't have anything in any of the sections that I was looking for. I was looking for some more like shirts for me, some clothes for Avery, some stuff for a basket, and I found nothing. So that's a little disappointing, but there is a Target right next door, so we're going to go into Target. Avery is asleep, so hopefully she stays that way when I get her out to go into the store, because she definitely needs to get her nap out. So hopefully Target is a little bit more successful than this one was. Okay guys, we are back home now. We are in Avery's room. I'm exhausted. It's been a long day, but I wanted to show you guys what I got for the basket and some other things I picked up. I brought them all in Avery's room because she's in here playing, and I'm honestly just too tired to take them anywhere else and set anything else up. So I'm gonna regret this when I have to take it all back out of here, but we're just gonna roll with it. We're just gonna roll with it. So first I'm gonna show you what I got for the basket. So I picked up this cute little seagrass and rope basket is what it's called. I picked it up from the Target Dollar Spot. So I thought that was really, really cute, and then she can use it other places as well, like the nursery. So I wanted to get stuff for her, not so much the baby, but I still wanted to get stuff for the baby. I picked up this glass water bottle from the Dollar Spot. I just thought that it was pretty, and I don't know, just something pretty that she can use to drink water out of, to stay hydrated. I got a little mask. This is just from Target too. Avery's commentary is in the background. I got her some Dr. Teal's lotion. It smells really good, and I thought she would want some lotion. I don't know. I got her some chocolate, which hopefully it's not melted. But I remember after I had Avery and I came home from the hospital, the breastfeeding hunger was so extreme, and all I wanted was cookies. Even now I still crave cookies a lot, and I have never been like a huge cookie person. Like, I like cookies, but ever since having Avery, I want cookies all the time. So I thought maybe if she had some like sweet tooth, because she's breastfeeding, that would be good. And then he actually was born like a month early, so he is technically a preemie. But I got her a little pack of newborn onesies, because I don't think they got a lot of newborn stuff. I know I didn't buy a lot of newborn stuff because I didn't want to, I didn't want to spend a lot of money on newborn stuff and then her not fit into it. So he definitely is going to be needing those. And then I just got this little blue plush blanket. I wanted to find, like at TJ Maxx, they used to have like the Barefoot Dreams dupe blankets. I have one for Avery and I love it, so I wanted to get one like that. But TJ Maxx and Target had like 0 baby blankets that I liked. But I got this one at TJ Maxx, but it's not what I wanted. I wanted like a Barefoot Dreams dupe blanket, but this is still like a cozy blanket that she can wrap him up in. So that is what I am doing, and then I'm just going to make her some cookies. I just thought, I don't know, a little something to take over there since she just had a baby, and I don't think she got a ton of blankets for her shower or these like little baskets for the nursery storage. So I thought that would be nice. So other than that, I got this wreath. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if I'm crazy about it, but we needed a like springy summer wreath for our front door, and last year's wreath got ruined. So I saw this and thought, you know what, it's cute, so I will put that in. I also got a book for Avery because I'm a sucker for books. Every time I see a book, I feel like I have to get one for her. And I saw this dress at TJ Maxx. I'm not sure. Avery doesn't like it very well, but it's just this like flowy pink and orange tie-dye. It has like the scrunchy bubble sleeves, I guess is what they're called. I don't know. I may not like it once it's on, but I need some more dresses to wear to church and dressy events. I don't have a ton of dresses, and I really don't have a lot that I like on me now that I've had a baby. So I thought I would try that out. What else did we get? What else did we get? So from Target, I got this throw because for Mother's Day, Jamie built me a blanket ladder, and with that I wanted to throw all of our throws away because they're all just like old and have holes in them and are dingy and gross. So I wanted to get all new throws. So I got this one and two more from TJ Maxx. They're just like neutral throws, but this one reminds me of Barefoot Dreams a little bit. It's that squishy, plushy feeling, and it's from the Threshold brand at Target, so I was really excited about that. I also got this dress for Avery. It's just a little tie-dye. Oh, does it come with bottoms? Yes, it comes with bloomers. Just for her to wear. Her cousin has the bigger size of this, and I've never seen it in her size. So I got it so she can match with her cousin. And then I also just thought it was $7. It's something that we can just throw on when it's really hot, and she'll be like dressy but casual. And I got one of these little cups that you like rinse their baby's head with, because every time I rinse Avery's hair off, it like goes all in her face, and I just feel like it's really annoying. So I got one of these to see if maybe this will help a little bit. So yeah, that's everything that I got from the stores. Now I have to go put it all up where it belongs because it's not in here. And I need to bake cookies at some point, but I don't think that's possible with her right now. So we may just chill in here for a little bit while she is content. I am exhausted. I need more coffee. Also, I don't think I've showed this on here. I know that I put it on Instagram, but somebody is starting to army crawl. See if I can get it. Come here. Can you come get the duck? Can you come get the duck? Say, we're not crawling yet. It's just a little army crawl, but girl gets where she needs to go, don't you? Okay, while I'm just sitting in here, I just wanted to show you guys. I put her little basket together, and I didn't even realize it, but it's like a blue theme, except for, I mean, this is purple, but for a little boy. So cute. Okay, sorry if the lighting is terrible in here. This door right here does not help in any way, but Avery is down for a nap, so I'm going to try to get these cookies made because once she wakes up, it's like nearly impossible to do anything with her. But I'm not gonna like really show you completely what I'm doing as far as step by step. I was just going to show you basically, I don't know what a lactation cookie is. So you can Pinterest lactation cookies and you'll find a bunch of stuff on there. Basically, to me, it's just a chocolate chip cookie with added stuff. So what I put in mine is flaxseed, brewer's yeast, and oats. It actually calls for steel cut oats, but I think like whole oats is better. But that's basically all that's in it that makes it like a lactation cookie in my opinion. So brewer's yeast, flaxseed, and oats is what I put in mine to make it better. My best friend sent me this recipe. I don't even know where she got it from. It's literally like in my notes section of my phone. So like I said, you could go on Pinterest and Pinterest lactation cookies, and there's a million recipes out there, but this is just the one that I do. And the batch that she sends me the recipe for makes like a million cookies, I feel like, and it's really like hit or miss how they come out. Sometimes I'm not a good baker, first of all, so sometimes they don't turn out well at all, and sometimes they turn out really good. So I'm going to make the cookie dough, and then I'm going to do a batch of like 12 or so and see how it comes out. And then if it doesn't come out, I'll try to like alter the dough to make it better for my friend, because I want her to have good cookies. If it was just for me, I really wouldn't care. I would eat them anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and try to make these before Avery wakes up. Okay, so I did 12 cookies on that pan, and this is all the dough that I have left. I could probably do another like 12 or maybe even 24 cookies. So we are going to see how these turn out and then see if this is gonna work. I think this dough looks good, so hopefully they turn out. Okay, so here is one of the batches. These do not look appetizing at all. This one sees the cookies and she wants one so bad. And ever since we have started baby-led weaning, she is obsessed with food, and every time that she sees food, she like freaks out and wants it. So that's why she's acting like this right now, because she wants a cookie. But you can't have none. They're not for you. Yeah. She's being a little clingy today, so I can't put her down without her freaking out. That's okay. Anyways, this is how the cookies turned out. They do not look appetizing at all, but this is just how they turn out sometimes. I have tried to fix it. I googled it. I'm not sure why. And I have, you can't see, another batch while my oven is dirty, going to see if they turn out any better. But this is just how they're turning out today. Flat and chewy, and I'm not really sure how to fix it, but I FaceTimed my best friend who used to make these all the time when she was nursing, and she said just sometimes they turn out flat, sometimes they turn out fluffy. Even when you do the same thing, she never knew why. Okay, so it is many days later and I look like a hot mess. I actually got sunburnt from a baseball game a couple of days ago, so that is why my nose is red and I just look a little rough today. But I completely forgot that I never closed out the vlog, so I wanted to come on here and go ahead and close it. But before I go, I wanted to show you guys, so don't pay attention to the bed not made, and my room is probably a mess, but I wanted to show you guys this shirt that I got in the mail. I got this shirt from Dixie Heart Designs, and I got another one as well, which I will show you guys. But I love this shirt. I'm obsessed with like large graphic tees with biker shorts. So I wanted to get a couple of oversized shirts that I could wear for the summer. And of course I had to get an Alan Jackson shirt. I mean, who isn't obsessed with Alan Jackson? I don't know. I love him. He is my favorite country singer of all time. So I got this one, and then I also got this one as well. Both of these are in an extra large. I love these graphic shirts, and they have hundreds to choose from on their sides. Literally like hundreds of graphic t-shirts to choose from. I'm actually about to go back on there as soon as I finish this and look for some more, and look for some 4th of July and Memorial Day shirts as well. But I just wanted to share these shirts with you guys because I love them, and if you're looking for some good graphic tees of any kind, and I also have a code with them as well, so use code DESTINY to get 15% off of your order if you find any shirts that you like. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm about to run and get some lunch, so I'm going to go ahead and close out the vlog here. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.